Use a pool noodle as a backer rod to fill deep driveway cracks when standard foam backer rod is too small. Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a stiff broom or compressed air to remove loose debris and dust so the noodle and sealant adhere properly. Select a closed-cell foam pool noodle that is slightly larger than the crack width so it compresses and stays in place. Cut it lengthwise if needed for very narrow but deep cracks. Measure and cut the noodle into pieces that sit about 1/4 to 1/2 inch below the planned sealant surface to allow the sealant to form a proper concave tooling profile. Press each noodle segment firmly into the bottom of the crack using a blunt stick or a putty knife so there are no gaps between noodle and concrete and the noodle follows the crack profile. Apply a high-quality flexible concrete sealant or elastomeric crack filler directly over the noodle, tooling the sealant to a smooth, slightly concave finish so water runs off and adhesion is maximized. Allow the sealant to cure fully following the manufacturer's specified dry time before exposing the repair to traffic or moisture. Common mistakes start with using a noodle that is too small so it does not compress and the sealant sinks in and fails. Choose a noodle slightly oversized or slice it to create a snug fit. A second issue is leaving dirt or loose particles under the noodle, which prevents proper adhesion and leads to early failure. Always clean and, if possible, use a stiff wire brush or compressed air to remove contaminants. Third, people set the noodle too high in the crack, so the sealant layer is too thin and cannot flex with temperature changes. Position the noodle so the finished sealant depth is adequate and tool the sealant to a concave surface for optimal movement accommodation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work, and our site includes an active discussion community where users exchange tips and local experiences about repairs like this. We connect people who want practical, homeowner-tested solutions with contractors who offer hands-on services, and our community helps you gauge what works in your area.